Hello and how are you? I hope you are well and I hope you are safe in this pandemic. I am Manan Sanjay Kumar Shah and I will be your instructor for the course of StatPro. We got so many queries from so many students regarding which software they have to select, and that's why we are preparing this video. So I am very sure that by the end of this lecture you will be able to understand which software you have to select. So we are discussing about the capabilities of the each and every software, and I will give you the brief introduction, and also we will discuss about the comparison of StatPro and ETABS. So let's get started. So if you see this, this is the symbol of StatPro software. This is the ETABS. Let's start with the what is the full form of StatPro. StatPro is nothing but Structural Analysis and Design Program. So you can say STAAD, STAAD program, and here ETABS stands for Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of Building System. And who is the owner of this StatPro software? Bentley is the owner, which is a USA company. And here we have CSI, which is nothing but Computers and Structures Incorporation. So CSI is the owner of ETABS software, and Bentley is the owner of this StatPro software. Now, what is the use of StatPro and what is the use of ETABS? So StatPro, we can say it is a general purpose analysis and design program which is used for buildings, then industrial steel structures and bridge design. So StatPro is very general software. You can idealize any structure in StatPro and then you can analyze and design it as per different available codes. And what is the ETABS? ETABS is a special purpose analysis and design program particularly developed for building system. If you see, the name itself suggests that it is for the building system. So this software is very specialized for the analysis and design of building, any kind of building. We will also discuss about it. Now if you see in terms of foundation, then we have to use STAAD foundation for the design of foundation, and we have to use another product of CSI, which is nothing but SAFE. If you are using ETABS for your beams and columns and shear wall design, then you have to use SAFE for the foundation design. And if you are using StatPro for building design, then you have to use STAAD foundation for the foundation design. But if I have to say one point, that generally foundation design is done in Excel in India. We don't use any software because it is very handy to use manual calculation, which is nothing but Excel program. Okay. Now see, you are final year student, so definitely you are working on thesis, and based on your different topics you can select which software you have to use. Let's say if you are doing thesis which is of regular building, regular and symmetric building, and which is RCC building, then I must say you should go for StatPro, because it is very preferable for the basic and regular RCC buildings. But let's say if you are working on many very complex and irregular RCC building, or it may be say tall building, then I must say you have to use ETABS for your thesis purpose. And in general, for any kind of buildings, whether it is complex or simple, generally in India we are using ETABS. But if it is very short building, and let's say and very regular in shape, very symmetric building, and if it is of RCC, then I can say go for StatPro. And if you have so many models to prepare in your thesis and which is of building type, then I suggest that go for ETABS. But you have to understand one point, that both softwares are useful for analysis and design only. None of them supports detailing feature. So what does that mean? You can do only analysis and design, but you cannot prepare any drawings, and you cannot do any detailing in either of the software. So neither in StatPro nor in ETABS. Okay, so when I say bridge design in StatPro, then you have to understand that there is no direct feature available, but you can idealize any structure of bridge, you can idealize any bridge problem, and you can then analyze and design it. But there is no direct feature available for the bridge design. And if your thesis is related to steel structure, then I suggest that go for StatPro, because it is very good in steel structure design. And if your thesis is on bridge also, if it is a simple bridge, I mean it is not like Bandavali ceiling kind of bridge, then I think StatPro is a better option for you for bridge design also. I hope it is clear to you now which software you have to use and which software is better for your thesis purpose. Because in general, if you have to understand that for buildings, ETABS is the useful globally, not only in India, and for any general purpose project, for any general purpose design, you can use StatPro. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.